Okay, good morning guys. So Maono just sent me another microphone. This is the WM820 series. This is what I'm using right now. So the voice that you will be hearing from this video will be coming from this microphone. So this is a nightstand. I've already sanded it. I just need to wipe it down, clean it, and then spray paint it with a shellac base primer. The reason why I'm using shellac base is that this is gonna go through or bleed through the paint. So shellac primer is definitely gonna block it, and then I'm gonna start painting it. It's already in the car. Okay guys, so we're here in Canadian Tire. They also sell Halloween stuff here. So I'm now on the paint section, and I'm gonna be looking at paint primers here. So this is the good thing about using this microphone, is that I can point the camera anywhere and the voice audio will still gonna be the same. How's the audio so far, guys? I'm talking really low right now because I'm not really comfortable vlogging in public, so that's why. Okay, so hello guys. Turns out that they don't have it here, so I'm going to the other hardware Kent, and hopefully it's there. I should have checked the website first before I came here, but I forgot, so I'm just going to Kent and hopefully it's there. Can't find my key. There you go. Alright, so Mipo is still inside and I'm just gonna wait for her here. How's the camera so far, guys? I mean, not the camera, the microphone. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay, we're now at Kent. So this is like a hardware supply here. Okay, right, so this is what I'm looking for. This is the bin shellac primer. It's $23.99. Okay, going back to the car.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just got back from the dollar store. I just left the camera here, but this is what I bought. So this is $1.50 each, and also a painter's tape. This is $2.50. So those are the only stuff that I need to start working on that nightstand. And as usual, Mipo is still there, so I'm just staying here in the car. Just wait for her to finish. Okay, so we're back in the house, and I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna transfer the audio and the clips that I got from today's vlog, and I'm gonna check the audio quality of it, see how it goes, and just gonna continue finishing this project. So talk to you again in my next vlog. Again, this is the Maono WM820 wireless microphone.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end. We take